Hey, welcome to the Mbuzi, Mawe, Serena Lodge Tented Camp here in Serengeti. It's in the central area of the Serengeti, and it offers a beautiful, unique environment for your lodging and accommodations when you come to the Serengeti on your safari. It's got a beautiful open plan for the tents and the lounge and the restaurant, making it a beautiful place to relax and enjoy when you're in between those game drives. And they just told us that right in front of the lounge, they're getting ready to put a beautiful pool with a natural landscape of the boulders and rocks around it. But come with us as we're going to take you on a little tour and let you see some of the different areas and the beauty of the stunning Mbuzi, Mawe, Serena Tented Lodge. This is the lounge and the restaurant area. As you can see, there's restaurant option seating inside and outside, depending on the weather. One of the unique features of the Mbuzi, Mawe, Serena is that each lodge room or each tented suite comes with 2 queen-size beds. Up to 4 people can stay, which is fairly unique due to the most tents and most lodges around limit to 2 or 3. So there's plenty of room for a family in one of these units. The Mbuzi, Mawe, Serena is definitely one of the most unique places here in the Serengeti due to the rock structures and formations around it. It makes for a real comfortable and cozy hideout when you're staying overnight and looking for a unique accommodation when you come to Serengeti National Park.